morning, guys. It's June the 9th, 2023. I got a call back from that old lady having a problem with her toilet not flushing again. I was over there, I don't know, about a week ago, I guess, and was flushing fine. I told her not to touch it. I want to come by and see what it's doing. So it's been about a week before it acted up. We're going to go over there, and supposedly she didn't touch it. It's not flushing. So I'll be able to look in there and see exactly what's happening with it. Old nervous Nelly. Flipping. Old nervous Nelly, Molly. Go over there and take care of Miss Nervous Nelly. I gotta tell him to call her. Miss Nervous Nelly. Poor thing calling me all in a panic. Hyperventilating on the phone there because the toilet's not working. Anyway, I talked to the husband. He said that he confirmed it's not flushing, and we'll go find out why. She's a good customer. I worked for her over the years a bunch of times. Could be the fill valve. Might be getting stuck, not letting the water in. Either that or it's the flapper coming off or something. We'll see. You ought to go in the bucket? Yeah, it don't look like it's filling. Hang on.
I've done that 15 times.
Done what 15 times?
Sometimes at night, it goes 2-3 times during the day, just to keep fixing it.
Yeah, it's getting more now, though.
Looks like that fill valve's the issue.
Yeah, there's something there.
Yeah, we're gonna put a new fill valve in it.
Yeah.
I don't think it's this flapper because it's flapper, but we'll change that too.
Okay.
We'll put a new fill valve. Did you play around with it? No, you didn't do nothing.
I didn't do anything. I just...
Fix it, did he say?
Yeah, he's gonna replace the parts.
Oh. Just to make it up the stairs.
Could be that this thing's sticking. I'm gonna put new parts in it.
That's great. Thank you. It definitely keeps that right. I must have done it 15 times.
Huh?
The minute it would happen, I would just touch it a little bit, and it would work. And
Touch what? What were you touching? The fill valve?
I don't know.
Well, you show me what you've been touching when you've been here. What have you been touching?
It would be stuck here.
Oh, so it's been stuck. It's been stuck here. This is what you've been playing with, right?
That won't work. No, I didn't touch that. All I did is touch this, and it would work.
Okay, you'd move this a little bit and it'll work. So it's going to be in here.
That's correct.
All right. So let me put a new flush valve in there.
Yeah.
And we'll check the flapper while we're in here.
Yeah,
and,
sure. That seems to be all.
It was working last time I was here, so we got.
Yeah.
No, okay. So we're gonna change it. We're gonna change that part now. All right. Let's just do it.
Yeah. Oh, because she has to go over.
So she had to go shit in a bucket down there.
Yeah, she did.
Now she got a bad back. Probably got a ring on her ass from sitting on the bucket. No? No?
She's very sick.
Yeah?
She's dying.
Oh.
She's pancreatic cancer.
Oh, I thought they took her pancreas out.
No, it's all involved in that area. You know, she is deathly sick.
Oh, she is, yeah.
Yeah.
So she still got, they took her pancreas out and she's still dying.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but that's been out for years, she said. How many years?
Well, they've done a lot of things along the way.
Yeah, a lot of things along the way.
Yeah.
All right, well, we'll do what we got to do here.
She's in death pain right now.
Really?
Yeah, can't do anything about it, so I think she's very near the end.
That's kind of queer unit. We'll put a new flapper in there too, and
yeah, that's great.
And put all new parts in there for her.
That's wonderful.
You guys told me to story about your bucket experience in the basement.
I do not like doing that. That's not funny.
Come on.
No.
It'll make you laugh a little bit, no?
When you're as sick as she is.
Alright, I'll fix the toilet.
Thank you.
That is not a
Oh, this is American Standard. I don't know why they had that queer flapper in there. This is American Standard flapper is better. Put that one in instead. I'm not a big... I have these, but you could adjust the flow rate. There. Whatever that little queer thing is. What's the question, madam? I gotta get my tools out of the truck. Alright, change
I
this.
had a picture on TV this morning. He looks exhausted. He looks like he's had it.
You saw a picture of who? You talking to me, ma'am? I think she's deaf. Problem with the fill valve. Let's change the flapper too.
No.
Hold down on it. Take this nut off it.
I'll show you what it is. You know what my inhaler looks like, right?
Downward pressure. It won't leak until I get the bucket under it. Pulling it and pushing it down. Nothing but quality here. 2017. 1.6 gallon. 1.6 gallon flush. What was the question, madam?
Another question? Oh, she's just...
Anyway,
What was the question?
this morning,
Did you have a question, he said?
what is it?
I want to know if you have a question.
She said she had a question for me.
Oh, no,
That was for me.
he knows all politics.
Oh, okay.
So, and I don't, so.
I rushed right down here again for you.
Oh,
You're like
okay.
my, you're like a damsel in distress.
Yes, she is.
Huh? I rushed right down here again. As soon as you call me, you're like a bat phone right to my office. Huh?
Yeah. God bless you. Thank you.
No, I saw him this morning, and if they're indicting him for those pins and all that stuff that are allowed,
That
he
is a-
must have done something.
Got the bat phone right to the office.
It's very minor, and they know he's got to go to court and defend all that, and he can't.
He looks like he doesn't even want to be bothered
No,
anymore.
he's getting tired of this crap. Because
Yeah, he is.
they have been racking him, and it's all.
I know.
He's got to prove it. He's got to go to court and prove it. The biggest cheat in the world. They're a liar cheat.
I don't know why the Anderson I take doesn't take this.
You don't get it.
No, I took a whole half, and I've never taken a whole half, not since.
I'm just gonna
They don't want me to take Anderson or else.
do something with the inside. Gonna put a new flapper in there too for her. Like the other one. The other one's a little queer. Queer setup. Alright, I'm gonna do something about that flapper. I'm gonna put a different one in there. This is good. Got all this white crustaceans on the bolts. It's on the bolts. Unbelievable. That's coming on the bolts, like electrolysis. It says steel bolts. Like that happens on bolts, you know, this electrolysis on bolts, same shit. I could have been able to adjust this up or down, that's why I like these. That should be close.
And there it was.
Never a dull moment. All I can say. We're flipping down.
to her, can you let me off at the door? So she said, yeah, here. So I got off at the door, and I went inside, there were 2 policemen there, let me tell you, that place is well taken care of. And,
Can put a thing on it if I wanted instead. A little clip, hold it where it needs to be.
You can't move, you can't make a move. And, yeah, 2 full cops, I mean, full, you know.
Like that.
Not cops, they were cops.
Yeah, we gotta do something about the flapper.
So then we did that.
Put a new one in there for her.
We saw how long it took us. 45 minutes.
This is, I like these better. Adjust this down or up for more flow or less flow.
She didn't realize she has one of those cars that have a really deep well. That's the way the Buick was made, I guess. And, oh, did I have it? I couldn't get out. I couldn't get
I'll
out.
put it all the way down. Give it more flush.
So finally I said to her, can you get out and help me?
I'll put it all the way down and see how it flushes like that, or then give it more water.
You need help, don't look for that one. See, if you could hear, or if you could read, whatever, you know what I mean, you could go with me, I wouldn't even need her, you know?
I can do a lot. You have to describe the thing you get to do. This is it.
But it worked well, it worked all right.
You say, I wanna go here. Hey, tell me exactly what I'm
Put it all the way down and see what happens.
and we'll get there right away, big bang boom, you don't have to mess with her.
These are good American Standard flappers. It's designed for the American Standard.
So anyway, I said to her,
I like these better. Excellent.
very kind of you, this will be my birthday present.
Have this so it's not.
She went, oh good, oh good, so they're not coming to my birthday, and I said to her, but if I don't
Put that on there like that.
get the mattress right away, my back's never gonna get better.
Have this so it's not.
Have a mattress.
Never said a word, never said a word.
I don't want to have it so it's tight.
I'm gonna have to drive myself, and, get myself there, I'm gonna have to. It's definite, it's definite. You know what I mean?
Tell me where
It's at the mall, it's at the mall.
at the mall.
When you go into the mall, and then you go this way, and you wanna go, Olive Garden is there, and you go around the back, so that you can get to Home Depot. Well, right there,
Oh, I can do that.
right there is the mattress place.
Let's try that. See what happens.
You have to get me.
It wouldn't take her 10 minutes to take me there, and I'll just,
Might have to adjust that down yet. We'll see. Yeah, it's gotta go down a little bit. Alright, I'll show you. Just grab it, turn it. Down one. And that should work. That's why I like them. Perfect. Flushed good. That's why I like those. I set them. They no longer make them though. Screw up a good thing, typical. That should shut off. Or down. Could adjust it down here a little bit too if I wanted to lower this down a little bit. I want to be down about 3/4. Be down about 3/4 when it shuts off. That should be good right there. Yeah, right there. That should be good. Let's see if it flushes. That's just about right. New pots in there for her.
Water up.
I want to come up with the water a little bit more, just to have a little bit more water.
Oh, I know how to get there.
Yeah.
That's safe. That's down about half, 3/4, I guess.
You can see it from Georgia.
All new pots.
My mother used to work at Burners Ceramics way down there.
Let's see how that flushes. Yeah. Put all new pots in there for her.
Enjoy yourself. And I didn't care.
That's what we want to be. No leaks.
I should get a pub.
That's it.
Regardless of how she feels.